TanFan is a beauty business centred around our self-tan sleep sack that keeps self-tan on you, not your sheets. We launched in May in 2022 and the product sold out in 3 days. We were completely overwhelmed by that.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Lucy, and we're the co-founders of TanFan.
We run TanFan from our home office in Elstonwick and then have a team that works with us globally.
We knew that having a direct-to-consumer business was very important, so in order to do that we needed to focus on paid ads and have a really robust social media strategy, which is then when we found the Melbourne Innovation Centre and their digital solutions program.
We were paired with our mentor, who was amazing and a really perfect fit.
She really understood what we wanted to achieve, gave us some very practical advice about our social pages, our Instagram account, and how we can best engage with our audience to kind of grow our business. I can definitely say that after those mentoring sessions, we felt very confident that we had the right strategy on how to set up our paid ads and what we needed to do with our social media to make it more effective. The support we got from the Melbourne Innovation Centre was invaluable. Comments started coming in from social channels saying, "We love this, where have you been all my life, this is the best invention," and from there it has grown.
And now sell in 3 different marketplaces around the world.